How to change your location on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily change your location on Roblox. So the very first thing you want to do here is go over to roblox.com and you need to check your location first. So you can do that by going over to the settings icon and then go to settings at the top right corner. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down here and you can find your account location. Now, in some cases, you can easily find the drop down like this, and you can click on it to select and change your location manually. However, if that's not the case, then you need to fill out a form or a request form to change your location. So all you have to do is scroll down here and find the help option. Once you open up help, go ahead and click on the search icon and search for location. Hit enter and you can find these results. Now just go to account location over here, then scroll down and you need to change your location. So Roblox automatically detects and updates your account location, and they do not collect precise geolocation data and instead rely on general regional location over a period of time. Now, if you want to change your location here, you need to fill out a form. And what you need to do next is if you want to change your account location, you need to go ahead and click on this contact support here option. And then all you have to do here is fill out the contact form. Enter your username, first name, and email address. Confirm your email address and select what your device is. So I'll just select PC for now. Then you can select your help category. So it's something, it has to do something with your account. So you could do something like technical support, or you could go ahead and select account hacked or login problems. Anything is totally fine. I'll just do technical support, and you can select your subcategory type. So let's just do something like cannot visit a experience. So you can just go ahead and briefly describe that you want to change your location and it is not right currently. If there are any proofs that you can provide, you could send them there as well. It will create a support ticket. Now just click on continue. They'll contact you back on the email address that you enter over here, or your account's email address that's connected to your Roblox. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.